Good evening, my YouTube viewers. In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my final real-world application in Python. And what I'm going to do is we're going to use tkinter, which is Python's Graphical User Interface. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a graphical user interface, which is a GUI, which is greetings. So in order to do this, I've got the code on Python 3.13 idle. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to import the tkinter, Python's inbuilt graphics module, as TK. And then we're going to create a function to update the greeting. So it says def, it's your define function, generate greeting. It says name equals name entry dot get, region equals region dot var dot get. So if region equals world, the greeting is hello world. LF, region equals USA, the greeting is howdy USA. LF, region equals UK, the greeting is cheers UK. Else, greeting is hello, the name of the person. And so greeting label dot config text equals greeting. So we're going to create the main window. So root equals tk.tk, root.title is your greeting generator, root.geometry is 300 times 200. Name, and then we're going to name label and entry, tk label, brackets, root, comma, text equals enter a name dot pack. Name entry equals tk entry root, name entry dot pack. Then we're going to make a region selector. So region var equals tk dot string var, value equals world. Tk dot label, brackets, root, comma, text equals select a region dot pack. Tk option menu, brackets, roots, comma, region var, and it's world, USA, UK, custom dot pack. We're going to create a button to generate a greeting. So tk button, brackets, root, comma, text equals generate greeting, comma, command equals generate greeting dot pack. And then it says Heidi equals 1, and then, let's see, equals 10. Patty equals 10. So we're going to display the greeting. So greeting label equals tk.label, brackets, root, comma, text equals space, comma, font equals Arial, comma, 12, FG equals green, and greeting label dot pack. And then we're going to run the app. So it's going to be root main loop. So we're going to run this. We're going to run the module. So we've got our greeting generator, which is a graphic user interface. So I'm going to enter a name. And then I'm going to generate the greeting. It says hello world. So custom. We're going to generate the greeting. It says hello Crystal. Somebody's sitting right next to me, so enter his name. Generate greeting, hello Mike. And then so you press the world, will be hello world. Press USA, howdy USA. Press UK, cheers UK. So another thing you can do, because this has 300 by 200. So what we could try is see what happens if we say 600 by 400 and we save it and we run it again. So it does the same thing. It's just like the graphic user interface is the same. So you would have to actually change the size of the buttons. You'd have to change the size of the buttons and everything else to get it to be bigger. But I thought, oh, well, we'll just try that out and see what happens. Okay, so there we go. We got our greeting generator, and that is just an example of what Python can do with its tkinter graphical user interface module. And then so what this is just an example of using a graphical user interface in Python, and I'm sure you can experiment and you can find other graphical user interfaces as well. I'm sure that it would be good that the bookstore program that I made probably would have been good with a graphical user interface, because you enter everything into a form and then you press enter, and that would work as well. There's lots of things that you can use a graphical user interface for. So that concludes, that's the last video on this section of videos. So I hope you like it, and I will be communicating with you soon on other technical subjects.